Jelly Babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you 4 absolutely stunning gel polishes from Madame Glam. They were very kindly sent to me for review. So we've got Dazzling Light, Moon Tears and Starry Night, which is the Peacock cat eye, and then you've got Amethyst, which is the 5D gel polish. So as with all Madame Glam polishes, you do have the colour reference on the top, which is great if you store your gel polishes in a drawer. So you can see that these have got like little flaky bits in it, which you don't normally get when it comes to magnetic polishes. So I'm really interested to see how these look. Obviously, they never look great until you apply the magnet onto them. The magnet brings the sort of magic, as it were. But I'm just sort of showing you like the consistency of the polish, so you can see it's a real nice consistency. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. And then this is the 5D the 5D magnetic cap gel polishes. So to bring out the best and bring out the colours, they do recommend applying over a black base. So that's what I've done here. I've actually just applied 1 coat, but if I was going to put it on my own nails, I'd apply 2, just so my mani lasts a bit longer. So you want to apply nice, even layers. And obviously you want to try and get the chameleon look even as well. I mean, that's just gorgeous on its own. You could just cure that and wear it like that. But to get the cat eye to come out, you do need to hold the magnet over it. You only need to hold it for about 10 seconds. And then you just get that flash of colour. Another way that you can create a look is getting the 2 sort of round magnets and just sort of manoeuvring it around on the nail, and then you kind of get a little bit of an S shape. I'm still mastering how to get it perfect, but just hold it until you're kind of happy with the look of it, then move it away and then cure the nail. I do recommend with magnetic polishes that you do 1 nail at a time. I know it's a bit faffy, but you'll affect the other nails if you don't, because obviously the magnet can be quite strong. Another way that you could wear it is, obviously you've applied 1 line of cat eye, then you could come in and apply another line, if that's what you want to do. I did find with this, like when I first put the magnet on, it was quite striking, and then actually it sort of lost it a bit after I cured it. I wasn't 100% sure why that happened, and it did only happen with this gel polish as well. So I am going to, I'm applying a Madame Glam's no wipe top coat over the top. And that's as easy as it is to create a magnetic look. So I do think it's really cool. It kind of almost has like a, sort of like a cloudy sort of feel to it. Obviously it's not that sharp. So initially I didn't like it, but actually it kind of grew on me near the end. So moving on now, this is Moon Tears. So again, you've got a sort of bit more of a bronzier look coming through with this one. So I'm just going to do majority of them with this 1 line, and then I'll do the S type one as well. So you kind of get to see how it looks on all of the nails. So that's all the others done. So this one is really stunning. You can really see that gorgeous sort of goldy bronzy cat eye. So this is Starry Night, so obviously it's got more of a pinky purpley tone, which is gorgeous, and this is obviously the last that I'm going to show you of the Peacock cat eye gel polishes. So again, just hold the magnet for 10 seconds and then cure it in your lamp for 30 seconds if you've got quite a high wattage lamp, so 48, sort of 36 to 48, you can cure it in 30 seconds. So I think this is my favourite out of the ones that I've swatched so far. I think this is sort of like the polishes that the companies are bringing out now are just fantastic. To come up with all these different ideas and different looks is just awesome. So then moving on now to the cat eye. Now I wish I knew about the look that you can create with these before I put this order in, as I think I would have ordered more of the 5D polishes, because basically if you hold the magnet this way and go like down the side of your nails, it creates this really cool look, as you can see here. So you just keep going over it until you're happy. And it almost looks like your nails are lighting up. It is so cool. Now I haven't got any filters or anything extra on my my video, what you're seeing is how it looks in real life, and it's awesome. And that is the only way that I'd wear these 5D cat polishes, because it's such a pretty look. So I will show you like the normal way you would apply a cat eye polish, and I'm just putting the magnet over the top of it like so. But I don't think this particularly looks anything more amazing than if you'd done this with like a 3D cat eye, if that makes any sense. So that's how it looks like that. But if you apply the magnet over it like I showed you previously, it is super, super cool. So I've done the rest of the nails off camera, and it's almost got a chameleon look, so it kind of goes from like a pinky to a goldy tone. I literally could look at this all day, and I actually went and applied this on my own nails straight after doing this review, because I just had to have it on my nails. And it's been a while since I've reviewed a polish, and it's made me do that. So yeah, so I really hope it's coming across on camera how awesome this looks. And see, you can even make your little stubbies look pretty. So thank you so much for watching. Please use the links provided and the codes that I've talked about on screen, and take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.